Ayo sneakerheads, I'm Sis Debbie, and as you've seen on my title and on my thumbnail, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. Since most of my subscribers, most of you are of Jordan 4, and Jordan 4 is my most performing sneaker. I want to know if this mere glue can fix this Jordan. Stay tuned to figure it out. Try fixing your own sneakers at home. This is them. It's still new. Before you all tell me, oh, they are reps, I know they are reps. So the other side, yeah, should take care of your sneakers. Let's get into what, man. Actually, I don't know if it will work. Let's try and figure it out, because it's spongy inside. I'll start with this side. It's burning me. Doesn't look like I've done anything, but I've done anything. I have to say goodbye to my Shimmers. Actually, these are my first Jordan 4 Jordans, basically. My first Jordan 4, they are Shimmers. Make sure to subscribe and watch the video to the end. I need to buy another pair. I need to cop another pair. Okay. You hear the sound? Seems like it's working. Seems like it's working, at the same time it's not working. Because inside it's spongy. It has become stiff. I recommend you use gloves because it's burning me, I'm dying. So I have this other part. Honestly, the glue just helped to stick it. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound. You may think like why is she fixing the shoe? Because I'm fixing. What do you mean? This is a 5-year-old sneaker. Still new. Still new. Hey y'all, so I'm done. You can see I tried to stitch it out, but here's the other pair. Let me be honest, I don't recommend this shit. If your sneakers have the same issues as mine, especially the Jordans, don't try to fix them. Just throw them away and copy a new pair. Anyhow, I'm Sassy Debbie, and make sure you like, subscribe, and give me your reviews on if you like experimenting with the best part for you to experiment with this glue. Anywho, and we out.